Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get new ringtone on every call you receive. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Play Store and search for Ringtone Randomizer. Here you can see a search option. You have to press on this. Now in the search bar, search for Ringtone Randomizer. Here you can see Ringtone Randomizer. You have to install this. Now press on open. You have to allow this and press on OK. Here you can see plus icon. You have to press on this. Now select your ringtone which you like. After selecting your ringtone, you have to press on this add option. So, this is how you can get new ringtone on every call you receive. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.